Uh-oh. What am I doing here? Is there something wrong with her, or building 2, or something?